would be the ground. So a tree sort of like this at our school. It's all smooth now because people have been climbing up it. Ow.
I've been working on this theory about my personal journey in motorcycling. I call it chasing Zen. Finding those moments that you are just locked into the moments was becoming more elusive, and I've sort of stumbled now on the new element, which is riding with Hailey. It's really hard to connect with kids because there are so many things that distract you. On the bike, we are connected. On the bike, it's her and I, and we're sharing stories with each other, and we're connecting on a way that I haven't found I've been able to do anywhere else. She's experiencing for the first time those things that I used to love about motorcycling. She's sharing them with me in my comm system.
My two favorite things about motorcycling are going off-road because it's challenging and going over dips because it makes you feel less flying.
And I'm going, wow, I'm right back there again with her. It's just really, really special. Costa Rica is a pretty relaxed environment. Still rugged and it's still wild and there's still rainforest and beautiful scenery and sort of untouched wilderness. The riding is challenging, but it's not really, really hard.
Let's start it with just me personally extending invites to everybody to come down and see it. And every single person, usually by the first day, are just like, wow, this is blown away. I never knew it was this cool. You're in your environment on a motorcycle and you're more engaged with the culture and the people.
Muchas gracias.
Really get a lot of pleasure and satisfaction of getting somebody here and just saying, this is where I live, this is what I do, and it's an amazing place.
You're riding in the middle of the rainforest, and then the next minute you're on the beach, and we're literally riding on the beach. And then the next minute we're in the mountains and we're on this incredible alabaster, amazing surface area, bouncing and riding and just having a great time.
The most fun has been the white lava rock we went over. Really bumpy, but really fun.
The country is so small and it's just cram-packed with all of these amazing places to ride.
It's a super diverse country. Every day can be unique. Experiences just unfold around every turn.
I want Hailey to have a good time. I mean, me surfing and going out, I didn't really think I'd be able to do it. She took instruction from our instructor and, okay, Hailey, start paddling slow, paddle, paddle, and then paddle, paddle, paddle. And he gave her a push and she hit the wave and jumped up. And first time she was up on the surfboard riding, and I'm just like, this is heaven. This is so awesome. I go through the same instruction with him and he gets me paddling and turns me around and I catch a wave and I stand up. And I rode it the whole way to shore and it felt so good. Here I am, Shawn Thomas, surf god.
The word translates into pure life, and it's used for everything. It's used for hello, thank you, goodbye, everything's cool, things are more relaxed here. It's a no-fuss attitude. I think Costa Rica is considered one of the happiest countries in the world.
Elephant Moto is an official BMW partner of BMW Motorrad. Our goal is to create memories. Traveling around the world on a motorcycle, there's nothing better. When you're on the bike, you're really living the place. Elephant is about stories. Stories to tell for a lifetime. That's memories, and that's the reason why it's called Elephant.
This side.
Pura Vida en Costa Rica es, igual acá amamos la parte del motociclismo, sobre todo la motocicleta BMW, la usamos mucha gente acá. Entonces Costa Rica es Pura Vida y Pura Vida es Elephant Motos. Bienvenidos a Costa Rica.
We're next to a giant volcano.
Yeah, that pretty much nails it. Giant volcano right next to us that we can look upon and just enjoy the awesome beauty of this country. It's just really, really special. You look around and it's just absolutely beautiful in all directions. Know what to expect. I had no idea what I was in for. Costa Rica has been the greatest ride that I've ever done with her.
A lifelong memory.
No.
I've been having fun.
Yeah. Come on.
The drone got stuck in the tree.
There it is. Hold on, he's gonna climb. Wonka! You got this, Wonka. Oh, so close.
We're trying to projectile throw sticks at the tree, and hopefully, and it comes down.
Oh, did we get it?
Yeah.
Got it.
Wonka!